Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious Bunjal style egg bag. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now let's get started. Now for ingredients, here is what you will need. In my bowl here, I have some chicken bouillon, accent, complete seasoning, adobo, garlic salt, 2 pack of Pack Sazon, and 4 bay leaves. Over here I have some green seasoning, and you can prepare your green seasoning the way you like it. I also have some tomato paste, curry powder, masala, and jeera. Here I have some chopped onions, scallions, and cilantro. And here's a look at my egg bag after I finish washing them. This is how it's looking. What I basically do is wash them in some lime and salt. I also added a little bit of vinegar, and I just cut them into small pieces and open it up with a knife or a scissors, and I wash it to make sure that all the shell or anything that is trapped in the egg bag, that it comes out. Now to my pot, I have some water coming up to a boil, and I'm going to add in my egg bag. We want to steam this out for a bit before we proceed to the cooking process. So once your water come up to a nice hot temperature, go ahead and add in all the egg bag and all the egg as well to the pot. We're then going to allow that to cook or boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you will then remove it from the pot. Place it in a strainer and just put it in your sink and have some running water over it. You want to make sure that you wash all that white foamy froth that's floating on the top. So you're going to wash it until you don't see any more of that within the egg or the egg bag. Now after you're done washing them, this is how it should be looking. Now what we're going to do is cut them into small pieces. And after you're finished cutting them into small pieces, this is how it should be looking. Now let's proceed to the next step. Now let's combine our green seasoning and our masala together. You want to make sure that there's no more dry curry powder or masala in the bowl once everything is nicely combined. After everything is nicely combined, you're going to go in with your bay leaf, and we're just going to place this on the side. Now for our dry ingredients in this bowl here, we're just going to open up that 2 package of Sazon, and we'll add that to the bowl, and then we will head over to the stove. Now to my preheated non-stick pan, I'm going to go in with about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm then going to allow the oil to come up to a nice hot temperature before I go in with my onion. I'm also going to go in with my bay leaf. I'm then going to stir this all together and allow the onions and the bay leaf to infuse a bit in the oil. Once everything is nicely infused, then I'm going to go in with my masala. Go ahead and stir in the masala with the onions and the bay leaf and allow that to cook or fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the masala is starting to separate from the oil, it's a good indication you are ready to add in your egg bag. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to go in here with my egg bag. I'm going to just give that a little stir, and then I'll go in with all of my dry ingredients. Now we're going to give that a stir to make sure that everything is nicely combined. Once everything is nicely combined and evenly distributed, we are going to allow that to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. If within that 4 to 5 minutes there was any water released from the egg bag, you will have to allow the water to be completely evaporated before adding any other ingredients or water to cook your egg bag. So guys, after about 5 minutes, I went in with just enough water to cover the egg bag. You don't want to add too much because it will take a long time to dry back out. And egg bag is not something that need a lot of cooking time. The longer you cook it, the tougher and rubbery it will get. So you should be cooking this for about 20 minutes or so. Now here's a look 10 minutes into the cooking time. If you would like to leave a little bit of the sauce, it's totally fine. You can do so as well. And here is 20 minutes into the cooking time. I'm now going to go in with my cilantro and my scallions. I'm going to stir that all together and I'm going to turn my stove off. Don't forget to taste and adjust if you need some more salt. If you do need some more salt, you can use the garlic salt or the adobo as a salt substitute. If you have been following me for a while, you will notice that I don't like to cook with salt. Using all those dry ingredients have enough salt within it, so I usually don't use salt. So now that you're all set, everything is nicely distributed, you can turn your stove off, allow this to cool down, and it is ready to serve. That is how easy it is to make some delicious Bunjal style egg bag. And after plating this up, this is how it's looking. Absolutely delicious. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.